All right, guys, so for those that are wanting to disassemble a 2019 AMGS coupe, this is how you do it whenever wrapping properly. I know we still got to take off the bottom vents. Some people take out the front bumper. I don't feel it's necessary. I've seen other people wrap them with the headlights on and still with the vent, the main grill there. We just pretty much just took off the vents up here, and all that's on there is just a box held on by 2 clips at the bottom. Then it swings down, and then about 4 clips that hold this together. This here is super easy. You can see the screws right through the vents. There's 2 here, 2 here, and you can see the brackets there. On this is probably the hardest part to take off. You have to take off the whole panel to get in there, and I know CK or CJ Wraps or whatnot, he has a video on doing that. These right here are quite simple. All you do is you feed your little prior tool in here and just pop them back this way, little by little, just go softly. This here door handle, super easy. It has a little T20 screw in there. It doesn't come out. All you have to do is unloosen it, then pop this little piece out, and then pop this out. The other one has a little cap that you pop that out first, and then you pop the door handles off. You don't have to worry about taking anything like that off, because look, it has a safety mechanism. I didn't do anything, you know, to make it do this. It just automatically does that. Gas cap, super easy. If you have a squeegee tool, all you have to do is stick your little squeegee tool in here, inside. What the heck? Yeah, well, there's a little piece you just stick in there, and then it pops straight out. It slips straight out, so you'll just have the gas cap here. We took off the wing and took off those weather strips. Like I said, the wing was quite easy. I took it off straight from this part, so I don't mess with any of the mechanism, it pushing it up. All it is going to be the wing that's held on. The rear tail lights are what's going to take a little bit of time, because you have to pull back all this here. First you pop this off, pull all this back. You have to take out a subwoofer to get to that back screw. So you got a screw back here where you see that hole. You got a screw, let's see, over here, and I think one more screw in the middle back there. So it's held on by 3 screws if I'm not mistaken. We still have to do a few things on this car, like take off this side. That's what we're doing right now, the handles and the side mirror, but the vents, and pretty much that's it. I mean, it was just pretty much learning on our own, trying to find videos left and right on figuring out how to take this apart, because not every vehicle we're professionals on, but we are professional and we take our time when disassembling things. We just need somewhat of a guide on where the screws are, what clips are going to be where. But yeah, if you guys want to get more info as into how to do this deal, you guys can leave a comment and I can see if I can answer it if we tackled that issue that you have. I know this back window looks terrible. We're going to redo that in ceramic. We're wrapping this entire car in this satin purple Avery Dennison. The entire car, we're going to add a carbon fiber racing stripe. You guys may see it on one of our short stories. And also we're going to do the door handles black and doing the purple on the side mirrors. So stay tuned if you want to see the final results on how this car is going to be. This is just a video for YouTube, because I know we never post full videos anymore at all. We just do short stories, and that's what we've been good at. So it's just to post a full video, oh my goodness, it's like a lot of editing. So this is just a quick walk around, you know, of how to wrap this car, how to go about wrapping this car, and what we took off, because I know a lot of people don't want to give game, and this is one of them.